Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So you seem to be enjoying my niche teardown videos, and I ran a small poll a few days ago, and for now the email marketing niche is a clear winner. So today we're going to be looking at different facets and sub-niches within email marketing. Before we go, I just want to say that I've launched a new website which is called Vast Universe, which is basically a collection of all of my resources across all of my websites. So if you go to this website, you will see a couple of things. So group discounts are now situated here. So all the exclusive discounts that our community enjoys, like Agility Writer, like SEO writing, the discounts that nobody else has but us are now here. Here is the collection of all of the other resources that I have, including some of the ones that you don't know about. So if you go to free resources, you will see that my niche newsletter, the detection prompt, and the deals and discounts now live here. If you go to SEO, I have my Outline Genius GPT, which is very popular. The Title Guru GPT is very popular again. You can now book a one-on-one consultation with me, and I have a lot of reviews, so you can read through all the reviews and decide for yourself if it's worth your time. Also, I have my prompts library, which was previously hosted by Patreon, but unfortunately Patreon canceled my account. And I have a niche hunter course that I'm working on, and this is going to be the industry first course about finding niches, like 12 to 15 different ways of finding niches. If you're worried about AI detection, I have my Detection Ninja course that has dropped in price, so go check it out. It's the industry first, and I have just launched the Humanizer Pro, which is my best Turnitin prompt to not only maintain great readability, but pass Turnitin AI detection. And basically, whenever you ask yourself if Vlad has any new courses, anything new, you can go to Vast Universe. It's going to be in the video description down below, and check out all of these prompts, courses, and free resources. And of course, for the niche teardown, if you're not signed up, once again, go to free resources, niche newsletter, leave your address here, and you'll be able to get all of the Ahrefs keywords that I'll be showing in today's video. So email marketing. I usually go about any of the broad niches as follows. So I have like a 3-step process, if you will. First off, I want to, and I will look at the seed keyword. My favorite keyword tool of choice is Ahrefs, of course, but you can do the same with Google Keyword Explorer or SEMrush or Ubersuggest. Then I like to look at different areas of the niche. This time it's email marketing, and you could just prompt ChatGPT about that, but since I know the niche pretty well, I can do this myself. And the third one is tools, and all the questions people have concerning the popular tools. And now we'll just go one by one, starting with the seed keyword, which is once again email marketing. So we need to go to Keyword Explorer, enter email marketing, go to matching terms. And then what I always like to do is to go to lowest DR. I usually have it around 5 and below, show results. And we have over 18,000 keywords, but if we apply this setting here, it will magically equate to 70 keywords. And let's try and see some commonalities here. So best email marketing services plus geo could be a good one. Email marketing designer, email marketing blogs, email marketing portfolio. How much to charge for email marketing is a pretty good key term, but I'm looking for something that can be scaled up. So right now, email marketing and then geolocation looks like one of the options. So email marketing plus geo. Let's keep on looking. DIY email marketing could be interesting as well. Okay, a lot of geo-targeted keywords. Template, this could be interesting. Let's note it down. Template, bulk email marketing. So this one is interesting as well. Guerrilla email marketing, that's interesting as well. Best email marketing software for, and that's an interesting one as well. This sounds like this could be something programmatic, because then you could just insert different industries aside from hotels. And I could have sworn I've seen email marketing for So I don't want to waste any more time. I'll just note it down here. So email marketing 4. And so let's just look at these ones first, starting with the last one. So email marketing 4, and I like this because it has a lot of programmatic potential. So let's just go to matching terms straight away. Then here, let's just apply a low KD filter, which is from 0 to 10, and see how many words we get back. Oh, almost 200 words. So look at that. Email marketing for hotels, email marketing for lawyers, email marketing for photographer, email marketing for apps, email marketing for insurance, email marketing for SEO. So wow. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this so I can share it in my newsletter later. Email marketing app for Shopify, email marketing for healthcare, for nonprofits, for accountants, for jewelers, for higher education, for startups, for doctors. Oh wow. This is a good niche, so I like it a lot. In the same realm of email marketing 4, let's just try best email marketing software 4, which is even more niche. And again, I'll apply a low KD filter. Yeah, only 4 keywords. Best email marketing for nonprofits, best email marketing software for real estate, for restaurants, for hotels. But here lies an enormous potential for programmatic SEO. So you can basically have the best email marketing software for part, and then just any and every industry that you can think of. You can have it as an AY, so the X would be best email marketing software for, and the Y would be the industry. And you can have hundreds upon hundreds of keywords potentially ranking for you. And we have a proof of concept here with these 4 keywords. So I still think this is a valid choice. And with email marketing, I like everything programmatic because it's not that competitive. Okay, let's look at bulk email marketing or bulk email, whichever has higher volume. Let's apply a low KD filter. 60 keywords. Okay, so how to send bulk email from Outlook, free bulk email, what is bulk email, how to send bulk email without spamming, bulk email in Outlook, bulk email meeting, bulk email cleaner, bulk email marketing in Singapore. There are some geo-targeted keywords as well. Buy bulk email accounts. So you can just create a website called bulk emails are us or whatever. Whenever I'm thinking of a good or somewhat good domain name, I always like to check it. So bulk emails.us. Oh, oh my god. So this one is free. What do you know? So bulk emails is a valid option as well. And let me grab the keywords for the bulk email thingy because I will need them later for the newsletter. Template, email template. Let's look at that. Once again, I'll apply a low KD filter. Okay, email template Outlook, referral email template, Salesforce email template, collection email template, fundraising email templates. Oh my god, this is huge. So I can even maybe go as low as KD3. 500 keywords with KD3. Oh, I have to grab this. So I only do 300 keywords for my newsletter. So template is great. So I think we've just uncovered 4 sub-niches. So these 4 are all very valid options. Now let's go to areas. And for the areas, since I know a thing or two about email marketing, I can just brainstorm right now. So we have bulk emails that we've covered. We have email automation. We have email warm-up. We have email open rates. We have templates, but we've already covered templates. So we've covered templates in bulk. Of course, we cannot talk about email marketing without the subject lines. So email subject lines. And something very basic, like how to, again, very programmatic looking, how to write and then email, a very specific email. So let's just check everything one by one, starting with email automation. Email automation, low KD, 71 keywords. So email automation, Gmail, Gmail email automation, Salesforce email automation, Outlook email automation, Python email automation. Okay, and a lot of low KD keywords, like email marketing automation specialist, Jira automation, add link to email. So all great options. This one is pretty good. Let's look at email warm-up. Again, low KD. Not as many keywords, but still. Email warm-up services. Let's disregard the KD filter. Email warm-up services, email warm-up 2, warm-up email, free email warm-up. So a lot of keywords, a lot of low difficulty keywords. Email warm-up process, best email warm-up tool. Okay. So we exported that as well. So I think this one is good as well. What about open rate? Let's try open rates first, or open rate, and let's see. Open market. No, that's not it. Email open rate. Oh, okay, this one is extremely competitive. But still we have 6 keywords: email open rate formula, email open rate calculator, email open rate campaign. So I wouldn't necessarily say this is a good choice, but as a complementary topic could be used for sure. Next, let's try email subject lines, best code email subject lines, funny email subject lines, survey email subject lines, Thanksgiving email subject lines. So okay, great, looking great. Finally, let's try how to write, and then email, and we'll go to matching terms. Oh wow, so many keywords. Let's try something even lower of a KD, maybe too low, but still 127 keywords. Let's go back to 10. 300. Okay, how to write a 2 weeks notice, how to write PS in an email, how to write an email to potential employer, how to write email to a teacher, how to write a sick email. Oh wow, great. So I'm liking this sub niche. So I didn't realize we had so many. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sub niches. Then let's just go to ChatGPT, because I don't know like every email marketing tool out there. So give me a list of 20 popular email marketing platforms. MailChimp, Constant Contact, Sendinblue, HubSpot, email marketing, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, Aweber. Okay, those are all very popular. MailerLite, Drip. Okay, now just give me the names. Just give me a reason. And you probably already know where I'm going with it, so I just need the names. Then I'll go to Keyword Explorer. I'll insert the names like so. And what I'll do, I'll actually delete a few names. So even though these are all popular names, I think that tools like Drip or Emma will give me a lot of false positives. So anything and everything around Drip and Emma, which is a name. So I'll just leave these ones in. And then what I'll do, I'll go to matching terms, I'll go to questions, and then I'll apply a low KD filter. And now we got 300, almost 400 words around the tools. What does cleaned mean in MailChimp? What is Klaviyo? MailChimp, what does cleaned mean? How to cancel MailChimp? How to use MailChimp for newsletters and stuff like that. So a lot of keywords associated with these tools, and I'll just export them like so. And let's review. So we've been talking about email marketing this whole video. We've uncovered the following niches. So the first one has to do with email templates. That's number 1. Then bulk email generation, number 2. Best email marketing for, number 4. Email marketing for, then the industry is number 5. Email automation 6. Email warm-up 7. Email subject lines 8. How to write emails 10. And then questions. So basically FAQs around tools. And this is 11. So we've just guys uncovered 11 sub niches around a very competitive email marketing term. That was KD 92. Go check out Was Universe once again. If you're not subscribed to the newsletter, go and check it out. This way you'll get all the Ahrefs keywords mentioned to the video. And yeah, thank you and take care.